We study about antihelminthics. So what are antihelminthics? Antihelminthics are those drugs which has the capacity of removing the parasitic worms from the body. They are act as vermicidal. Those antihelminthics which kill the worms. If the antihelminthic kill the worm, it is known as vermicidal. And vermifuge means those antihelminthics which expel out the worms. If an antihelminthic which expel the worms from the body, it is known as vermifuge. This is the chemical classification which includes benzimidazoles. For examples are mebendazoles, albendazoles, and thibendazoles. The second is quinoline and isoquinolines. Examples are oxaminiquine and praziquantel. The third is piperines, which includes piperazine citrate, diethyl carbazine (DEC). Fourth is vinyl pyrimidines, which includes pyrantel. Next is amides, niclosamide. Sixth is imidazole thiazoles, which includes levamisole. And the last is organophosphanes, which includes metrifonate. Here we have to discuss the three drugs, which is piperazine citrate, diethyl carbamazine citrate, and mebendazole. Before discussing these, we discuss the structure of some of the antihelminthic drugs. This is the structure of piperazine, which includes a benzene ring with here the benzene ring is not, this is not a benzene ring. Here this is a 6 carbon ring where the 2 carbons are replaced from nitrogen and the 2 nitrogen are opposite to each other. The second is diethyl carbamazine, which is similar to the piperazine. Here this is a piperazine ring, and here the piperazine ring is having a methyl group with one carbon atom and CON with other nitrogen atom, where the two ethyl groups attached with N. One nitrogen is having methyl group and one nitrogen having CON group, where the two ethyl groups are attached with that nitrogen. Now the mebendazole. Here in mebendazole, it is derivative of imidazoline, because with the benzene ring, this is imidazoline ring, which is partially saturated. If it is completely saturated, then it is known as imidazolidine, but it is partially saturated, that's why it is known as imidazoline, where with the benzene ring a phenyl group with CO is attached, and here NHCOCH3 is attached. This is the structure of mebendazole. Now, the piperazine citrate, which is known with the brand name Lumbrical, is a colorless crystalline solid, freely soluble in water, used to remove pinworms and roundworms. If it removes the pinworms and roundworms, then it is vermifuge. It is stored in light-resistant container. Preparation available in the form of elixir as piperazine citrate elixir. Then here the second is diethyl carbamazine citrate, which is colorless crystalline hygroscopic solid, freely soluble in water, stored in closed container, used for the treatment of Ascaris disease. Preparation available in the form of tablets such as diethyl carbamazine tablets, which are mentioned in the Indian Pharmacopoeia. The diethyl carbamazine citrate available as with the brand name Hetrazone. The last is mebendazole, which available as in the brand name Vermox. It is benzimidazole derivative, stable compound under normal conditions of light and temperature. The broad range of activity against roundworms and hookworms and pinworms. It is stored in well-closed container. Preparation available in the form of tablets as mebendazole tablet, which are mentioned in United States Pharmacopoeia. It is written that the piperazine, thiabendazole, mebendazole, and dichlorophene are the compounds used as antihelminthic drugs. Here, it is written that the parasitic worms are called helminthids. Helminthiasis is a disease produced by infection with parasitic worms living in the alimentary canal or in the other tissue of the host. This infection is spread by contact with infected animal, ingestion of infected meat by animal or human excreta or water, or by certain mosquitoes.